everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. We're here today with another makeup tutorial and it was inspired by a K-pop idol named Miyeon from G-Idol. This summer makeup look is super pretty and easy as we will be only using few products, so follow along because our favorite guru named Shan will going to show you how to achieve this look. To start off any makeup, she started with her skincare routine. If your skin isn't hydrated, it'll produce more oil, which isn't the best thing if you apply makeup without doing skincare. After applying the mask, you can wash it off after massage and absorption, because excess moisture will accumulate on the surface of our skin and turn into oil. Use this ZENN.TH lip gloss to prepare the lips. Next is sunscreen. You need about a nickel-sized dollop for your face. Then apply this makeup cream. Next is this concealer. Apply a bit onto the spot you want to hide and dab it in using a makeup sponge. Then a cushion foundation. Press down on the cushion and dab it in your skin. Skin look more dewy and supple after applying it. To control shine and prevent your makeup from sliding off your face, use a loose powder. Draw a natural looking eyebrows. To simulate hair, make short strokes with the brush that comes with your eyebrow pencil. See how natural the effect is. We will add another brow mascara for fuller and more dramatic effect. Look at that clean sleek effect, that's the goal. Take this peach pink and apply it all over the eyes. Then this color below the pink peach. We will make the under eye pop up, so we will add some glitters on top. Take this pearl color. Spread that pearl all over the eyelids, especially your under eye, to brighten up the look. This is my fave. You may say it looks like eye bags, but it's not finished yet. Apply a brown liner on the upper and draw a tail in the end. Her eyeliner went down as a whole, but it was a little thicker now. Then brush the eyelashes and put on your contact lens. If you have difficulty deciding on a shade for your contact lenses, try coordinating your eye color with your hair color. Go for contact lenses with colors like hazel, green, gray, and ice gold to bring a pop of color into your look. Those hues are sure to keep all eyes on you. This blush is from the side of the cheekbones and then slowly hits it into the face. This blush is dual purpose, so we will also gonna use its highlighter. For the final step, the lip tint. It looks kinda boring, so we will add a lip gloss to its shine. Spread it to your lips and ta-da! Sweet strawberry makeup look inspired by K-pop idol. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you on my next video.